Two rising stars in automation, one all about open source flexibility, one commanding the AI agent revolution. Which one really delivers? On the left, n8n, flexible open source workflow automation. And on the right, Crewai, multi-agent AI orchestration made easy. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, here's our trusty mind map so you know exactly what we're covering. We're gonna look at integrations and extensibility, AI agent capabilities, ease of use, customization and control, open source and pricing, and business and enterprise support. All the real stuff you care about, laid out front and center. Okay, first up, integrations and extensibility. Starting with n8n, this thing is almost wild, honestly. You get hundreds of connectors out of the box, support for custom APIs and HTTP, and if you're the tinkering type, JavaScript everywhere. But I'll warn you, the sheer number of options could totally overwhelm you if you're not technical or if you just want simple automations. Now, switching gears to Crewai, it covers the basics like Slack and Google Sheets plus flexible LLM support, which is pretty sweet if you're into AI workflows. But yeah, n8n just has a deeper native integration game. So, if you're dreaming of connecting absolutely everything, n8n's your winner here. Let's talk AI agent capabilities. n8n's not slouching. You can build agentic workflows, add memory, use lang chains, seriously nerdy stuff, and run wide LLM compatibility. You even get RAG support and parsing for structured outputs. But multi-agent setups, they get complicated fast. Crewai, though, brings its A-game here. It's almost built for multi-agent orchestration. You drive everything with code, whip up teams of agents in their studio UI, and get slick continuous monitoring with training options. It's a little intimidating if you want advanced features, I won't lie, but it's what Crewai does best. So for agent teams and modern AI, Crewai takes the crown. On to ease of use. n8n comes with a reliable visual workflow builder, and I gotta say, templates and the ability to share flows are super helpful. For basic stuff, you barely need to touch code, no code is real here. But the moment you want to do something wild, developer skills become almost mandatory. Crewai, meanwhile, is like, wow, it's actually super friendly for non-tech users, like drag and drop, click and go, and low code if you want. Hybrid options? Yup. Just keep in mind that if you dig deep and want complex agent setups, there is a learning curve, but overall Crewai seriously nails usability and takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. n8n actually stands for Nodemation, a mashup of node and automation. Crewai, they call their groups of LLM-powered agents crews, which is just so fitting for that multi-agent vibe. Now let's talk customization and control. n8n is just, honestly, crazy customizable. Every step, every node, API-level freedom, custom scripts galore. It's amazing for power users but beginners. You might wish there were more guardrails. Crewai keeps some developer-level flexibility and a solid framework for agents, but honestly, it's just a tad more opinionated in how you build workflows. If you like having every knob to turn and every screw to tighten, n8n got your back. It's the winner for customization. Moving on to open source and pricing. So this where n8n flexes hard. It's totally open source, you can self-host for free whenever you want or jump to cloud if you're feeling lazy. Paid plans for cloud are there obviously, but self-hosting comes with its headaches like support and upkeep. Just being real with you, Crewai is more of a hosted SaaS vibe. There's a free tier, setup is instant but it's closed source and honestly costs stack up quickly if you scale. In terms of freedom and price, n8n wraps up this round. Final comparison, business and enterprise support. n8n has legit enterprise plans and self-hosting is perfect for compliance-heavy businesses. But if you're really going deep, you might end up needing external experts for advanced support. Crewai, monitoring, training tools, production reliability, it's got what teams want out of the box. Thanks to SaaS you trade off a little control since it's hosted, but it's super reliable. So honestly, both are solid for business, and this one's a tie. Let's take a quick snapshot. Looking at our radar chart for all 6 categories, you can see where n8n towers on integration, customization, and open source. Crewai, though, jumps ahead on AI agent capabilities and ease of use. The business features, neck and neck, you can practically see which one made for which type of user. So what's the verdict? If you're a developer, an automation freak, or someone who wants maximum control, including building AI agents from scratch, n8n is your playground. It gives you deep integration, full flexibility, and zero lock-in. But if your main goal is to spin up teams of AI agents fast with awesome monitoring and non-coder friendliness, Crewai is genuinely the better pick. Like no contest for those use cases, both rock, but pick what matches your workflow and honestly your sanity. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.